We have an event here which is the trade-in show where you can use your old cars to avail our G-Tour vehicles. So pwede nyo i-trade in yung inyong mga lumang sasakyan and gamitin yung yun as a down payment para makakuha kayo ng brand new G-Tour vehicles.
Nakita ko yung event poster nila, yung Trade-in Roadshow via Facebook page. So sakto, I'm free today, so I decided to come up. And pagdating ko dito sa kanilang showroom, I had the chance to see yung kanilang vehicle lineup.
So pupunta lang kayo dito, dalhin nyo lang yung inyong mga second-hand cars para i-appraise. Meron kaming appraisal team. Then i-check nila yung unit, titignan nila kung magkano yung presyo. And then if magkasundo, gagamitin yun as a down payment. Of course, meron ka pa kayong kita doon. So aside from down payment, may makukuha pa kayong sa cash doon. And then iti-trade in yun, yung sasakyan nyo, to get a brand new vehicle of G-Tour.
Planning on coming back and getting my current vehicle appraised. Tapos hopefully, can take home the Jetor ice cream.